So this is a brief review of the 1Byone driveway patrol infrared wireless home security alarm system. So this pack comes in a box with some instructions, a wireless alarm and set key fob, a sensor, and a receiver, and also you get some screws and plugs to fit it onto the walls. So when you initially receive the system, you've got to read the instructions to pair up each of these three devices. Now it is a bit long-winded, but on why they should have really paired it all up before they sent it, but I think I managed it in about 5 minutes. It wasn't too difficult, but just as I mentioned, a little bit long-winded. So once they've all been paired up, you use the controller to set the alarm, which on the receiver you have 3 settings. I don't know if you can see that. You've got chime, low, and alarm. The receiver doesn't come with batteries. I think it takes 3 C-sized batteries, which one's just larger than the AA's. And I think the receiver takes 3 AAA batteries, I think. It might be AA batteries, but okay. So to set the alarm, instructions actually indicate incorrectly. Where is it? Right, I don't know whether you can see this. The instructions indicate that number 14 is cancel and number 13 is set up. But actually, when you look at the controller, it's the bottom one is to deactivate and the top one is to arm. So if you press the top one, it'll beep once and then it should be active. So if you set off the sensor, it will start flashing and the sound will go off to chime. If you set it to low, it will just do the same but at a lower volume. And if you set it to alarm, it should... right, you've got to reset it. Should make a screech and then just to deactivate. So it works pretty well. It should have been paired up before it arrived, but it's not too difficult to do. The range is stated as 30 meters, which I haven't yet tried, but it seems pretty good. We can put it in the driveway to let you know if someone's trying to approach, and just have it on chime. Or you can have it as an alarm system in the garage and have the receiver in the house to let you know that someone's trying to access. So that's a review.